Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make an image fade or fade out here in Showit. Okay, so first up, let's just go ahead and add in a new page. Okay, and here let's go ahead and add in an image or an image block. Okay, image like so, like that. Click on it and choose an image, maybe this photo right here, and then let's just go ahead over to the right panel. Okay. In here, we have animation, or it could be hover, effects, maybe hover right here, okay? Just click on the type and then hit on custom. And here you could go ahead and choose the opacity. Maybe let's just go ahead and choose or enter 0. And you could always set your delay right here, okay? Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2. Okay, once done, preview. And when I hover my mouse onto it, as you can see, it fades or fades out. And that is it. That's how simple it is to make an image fade out in Showit. Okay, another one, animation. Click on the drop down, hit on fade. Okay, you have time and delay as well. Now for time, just go ahead and enter the duration for how long you wanted the fade to stay. Okay. And you could always add a delay before the transition begins. I'm just going to leave it to 2 as well, and delay maybe 2. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and remove the hover and then preview it. As you can see. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.